Luxury Motorsports is proud to present for sale this one-owner 2016 Land Rover Range Rover Sport HSE 4-wheel drive Td6 SUV with the remainder of its factory warranty. This versatile and capable premium SUV is stylish, athletic, luxurious and fuel efficient. Whether you are ploughing through sand, mud ruts, deep gravel, or pampering your passengers on a long road trip, this high-end Range Rover has got you covered. And not to mention, the valet will want to park this HSE out the front too. The cabin of this HSE trim is classy, upscale and elegant, with top-notch materials throughout, enjoying Bluetooth, navigation, backup camera with front and rear parking sensors, an 8-inch touchscreen, a panoramic sunroof, rear privacy glass and keyless ignition and entry, ambient interior lighting, an upgraded interior trim with perforated leather upholstery, 14-way power and heated front seats and driver memory settings. The exterior features a self-leveling air suspension with auto access height, a hands-free power liftgate and 22-inch premium wheels. Properly equipped, it can tow up to 7,716 pounds. For a full list of specifications on this particular model, please visit our website at luxurymotorsports.us. We invite you to come and experience this athletic and rewarding Range Rover for yourself. Come discover the ultimate mix of on- and off-road capability and the snug cockpit-like feel of the sport design. With lots of glass providing impressive visibility, a smooth and efficient 8-speed automatic transmission, and robust spirited turbodiesel offering great punch when it comes to merging and passing. We guarantee this one won't be on the lot for long. Don't miss out on your opportunity to drive this outstanding SUV home today. Come see how easy it is to drive, sign and buy at Luxury Motorsports. Luxury Motorsports is open 7 days a week. Please call us to schedule your test drive today at 480-478-0352.